Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to calculate the composite reliability, convergent validity, and discriminant validity. Unlike Smart PLS, you need to do the calculation with the help of Microsoft Excel, or you can also try to go to Stat Wiki, STAT, Stat Wiki, and it's a James Gaskin kind of Wikipedia. He teaches us all how to use the SAM, structural equation modeling, AMOS, and things, SPSS, and also the YouTube channel by him as well. Yeah, James Gaskin, you can go there as well. So James Gaskin has provided us with the plugin that you can use. Like mine here, I have download the master validity where the composite reliability and convergent validity including the discriminant is also showing. Okay, but I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Excel. Now, first thing what we need is once you have the goodness of fit here, the next thing is you need the standardized regression weight. So what you do is go back to your MOS, click on the red arrow so that you get all these numbers. Click on the view text. Under the view text, we go back to estimates, click the positive sign to enlarge it, then you will get the scalars, click on the positive sign again, and then click on the standardized regression weight. Here you will get all the indicators belongs to which constructs and their value. So what you do is that copy here, click copy, and then you go to Microsoft Access. So, and paste it here. Okay, so we need to adjust a bit. Now, the row is too high, so let's block this and right click, click the row height, and 15, I think it's better. So just click on that one. So you will have the numbers, I mean, the look of that. Now, once you got the estimation, in my case, I need to rearrange a bit. Why rearrange? Because my rope here somehow goes down, so I need to take it back up there. So, yep, I guess that will do. Okay, then this is, sorry, let me check up to here. We will just we just draw a line so that you know which indicators belong to which construct or variable. So here, where is it? Where is it? Oh, this one. Okay. So we need the estimate here. Estimate square. Why we need estimate square? Because estimate square is used to find the AVE. Now, to find the AVE, first let us have our construct. We wrote back our construct, parents, and then financial, and then attitude, and last is the intention. So this is the construct. To calculate the AVE, I'm going to need the estimate square. So this is my estimate square. You just to get the estimate square is type down equal and then point it to estimate. In this case is column E, row 4, and then click shift and 6. There you will get that head, and then type 2. There goes your square. So just enter it. This is the number you will get. Now click back that number, point your arrow back to the this small green square, so that the arrow will change into positive black sign, and drag down. Now the number are not, I mean, let's have only two decimal points. So right click, first block, right click, and then click format cells, click number, make sure the decimal point is 2 here, click OK, there you go. So we will have this drawing again, draw this line here and here. Now our AVE only need that average, so type down equal, write down average, and then block the parents for parents construct, close it. You will got that number. Same thing goes for the finance. You write down, you type down average, and then block the finance, and then we have the average again, block the attitude, and then last is the intention. You block intention. There you go. Remember, the minimum requirement for AVE is 0.5. Hence, we have huge problem in the validity part. We'll see how to fix this later. Next is we want to find the composite reliability. Now, to find the composite reliability, we need the square of the constructs of variables summation. So first what we do here is we try to find the sum estimate. Okay, I enlarge the cell to find the sum again. Just click sum, and then remember it's not a square, yeah, the estimate. Block, close the bracket or parenthesis. Again, sum for finance. Yeah, just click on type the equal sign, then type down sum for attitude. Same goes for intention. There you go. And then after we have done the sum estimate, now we find out the square of the sum. So clicks equal sign, point it to the sum, which is K4, and then click save and 6, and then type 2. There you go, the square of the sum. Again, right click, format cells, 2 decimal point, there you go. Now to find out the CR. Now for the CR itself, before the CR, we need another one called the error, sum of error. Now to get the sum of error, we need to calculate the error with the formula of equal sign 1 minus estimate square. Enter. So then we have here, drag, there you go. But again, this one doesn't work. Okay, no border, and then let's give a border, and then this one, the bottom, click on the bottom again, and again, that will do. Okay, so sum of error just equal sum open bracket block the construct for parents, close the bracket. Same goes to the rest. Don't use the drag here because they are not exactly, I mean, the indicators are not exactly the same. Yeah, so you need to keep on typing, block, enter, type again, block, and enter. Okay, now let me make it smaller. Okay, this one, this. Okay, the ABE. Some error. Now we can calculate the CR. Now to get the CRs, the formula is equal sign the square of the sum divided by square of the sum plus sum of the error and enter. Okay, so drag down. Again, we block, right click, format cells, number. Okay, done. For the CR, the criteria is greater than 0.7. So we have two problems here. Okay, so these are what we need. Also this. And then we need another one. We call it as the square root AVE. This is needed for discriminant validity. So the formula is equal sign SQRT open bracket, go to the AVE point, click, and then close the bracket, and there you go, you got the square root, all the numbers. Now there is no minimum number for square root, yeah, so it's based on the AVE. So only the AVE and the CR has the minimum criteria. Now the square root AVE, we need another information from our output, Amos output, which is the correlation. So you go back to Amos output under the same scalars. If previously we click on the standardized, now click on the correlation. There you go, the correlation. Forget the error here. We only focus on the variables we have. You copy and then you paste it somewhere here, I guess. Yep. Okay, that will do. Okay, so we write down here correlations. Okay. Now, to make the discriminant validity, we need matrix. The matrix, so we can start again with, okay, I just copy this and then paste it here. Yeah, that will do. And then here parents, financial, attitude, and intention. So you need to make this matrix. Okay. Now the value of the diagonal line of each metric comes from the square root. Parents to parents, yeah, it comes from the parents. Okay, square root of ABE. Okay, just delete this area so we can have a, okay, I don't know why it doesn't work. Strange. Okay, no problem. Okay, we can check from here a bit. Okay, hope you can see that clearly. Now the parents equal sign square root, enter. Finance equal sign square AVE, enter. Attitude equal sign attitude, enter. And then what is this? Intention, right? Yeah. Equal sign intention, enter. So we need to make it bigger. Okay. Okay, this is done. This is done. Make it bold so that it's easy for you to check whether it has fulfilled the criteria. Now, the correlation. We need to supply the correlation to the matrix that we have created. Now, to do that, here, parents to finance, parents to attitude, parents to intention. Check here. Parents to finance, parents to attitude, parents to intention. So, parents to finance, you click here. Parents to finance is this number. You just click this number, sorry, first equal sign, click the number, and that's it. Attitude, click the sign, click here, enter. Enter the, click the equal sign, then click the parents intention, enter. Same things goes there, finance to attitude, and then finance to intention. Last is the intention to attitude to intention. There you go. Now let's check. The criteria is that the square root, yeah, criteria is discriminant validity square root AVE greater than correlation. Correlations. Okay. Let's check here. None of these are greater. Ouch. And then this one, another problem. This one, another problem. Check. The column, the row is empty. This one, column, row, column, row. So you see here, this working data has a huge problem in the convergent validity as well as the discriminant validity. You can, if you have the same problem, you cannot do your hypothesis testing yet. You have to fix all this problem. Now, regarding CR, based on my experience, once you have no problem at AVE, usually CR will work just fine. Okay, will work just fine. Because you see here, this is just 0.4, this is 0.7, 0.4, 0.72, 0.3, it becomes 0.6 and 0.55. So basically, you just need to focus on this part. What to do? Now, let's go back to our estimate, this area. So let's use simple logic. The AVE is the average of the square of the estimation. So in order to get at least 0.5, you need here at least 0.71 or 0.705. Why? With this number, you will get estimate 0.5. So if all of these got 0.5, your AVE is survived. But in this case, it is not. So what you have to do, very simple. Yeah, you need to delete this. Okay, I will delete. Ta-dang. You see, everything goes just fine. Okay, but it reduced the CR because of, yeah, number of this one. Yeah, not actually, but once you fix this, square root no problem, but the sum you have to check because the sum is E4 to E7. It's only now to E5. So this is E5. So K2 here is the no problem. And the sum of error is G5. Okay, so now CR. Now we have a problem with CR. Okay, that's another problem. I mean, well, if this keep on happening, then you only have one way to do. That is add more samples. Ouch. What to do? adding more samples. It works. Or if you have had more samples, still have the same problem, well, try Smart PLS. Who knows, it gives you luck. Okay, so I guess that's all how to calculate your CR, AVE, and also discriminant validity. Yeah, so I have given you the Excel file. Hope it will help you in calculating your CR and AVE. Okay, but as I recommended from the beginning, never, okay, never ever have indicators less than 3. Yeah, 2, it's not enough. 3, I think it's okay. Yeah. So let us check this one as the lowest estimate. I delete this. It's still not moving up. The CR goes down. Yeah, so there is another problem over there. So I guess the best thing for you is that add more samples or respondents to gain a better result in your AVE and your CR, as well as discriminant validity, of course. Okay, thank you for listening. Make sure you try and try and try, discuss with your friends. If you still have problems, do it multiple time of trials, yeah. And then we'll meet again next Thursday for the classes on Thursday, or Wednesday for the class on Wednesday. Bring me your problem if you cannot solve the problem. If you can solve the problem already, good. Show me your result on Thursday in your Excel file. Okay? Thank you very much for listening. Best of luck.